everything under this earth is yours. Yeah, because when God created the world, He said, now have dominion over everything. So God's plan is to see you prosper. The question is, did God really want Christians to become rich? The answer is 100% yes. So the reason why a lot of Christians are still stuck in one place is because they have not yet understand what God has given to them. Now, He has given us all things that pertain to life and godliness. So if you want to become rich as Christian, one thing you must understand is the principles of God. If you walk according to the principles of God, you are going to enjoy the full blessings of God. The number one thing you need to understand again is what we call obedience. If you're obedient to the word of God, you are going to enjoy His blessing, because He said, for the thought I have for you are the thought to prosper you and not of evil. That is, if you read NIV, that is it. You see, God created you to become rich. He never created anyone to become poor. So if you are still stuck in today, you need to understand what God has given to you. Remember, God is rich and you need to be rich also. If this video really helped you, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more videos like this that will help you. This video talk about finance that will help Christians a lot. So subscribe and like so that a lot of people can get this video. Thank you.